Hello everybody, how are you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel Tech It's Simple, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log into your Netspend Hub account. So follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you. Just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel Tech It's Simple if you guys are new to our channel. Alright, so first step, you want to search for Netspend Hub account and click on Login Hub account. Make sure it takes you to have a prepaid. And once you're over here where it says username, you need to enter the username of your account, and read this passport, you need to enter the password of your account. And if you want to remember your username, you can check mark this, and every single time you come to have prepaid. You don't have to enter your username, it's going to be entered automatically. You just have to remember your password and you're good to go. So just click on login and you should be able to log in into your Hub account if your username and password you entered is correct, and if you forgot your username or password, you can click on username if you forgot your username, and you can click on password if you forgot your password. And if you want to open a new Hub account or like a new Netspend account, you can click on open a new account and you should be able to open a new account, but that's basically how it works. And for those people who do not know what the heck Netspend is, the Netspend prepaid MasterCard is issued by the bank Royal Bank and MetaBank members FDIC. Please see the back of a card for its issuing bank. The Netspend Visa prepaid card may be used everywhere Visa debit cards are accepted. The Netspend prepaid MasterCard may be used everywhere Debit Master is accepted. So basically this is what Netspend Hub is. It's basically a MasterCard but a Netspend company, and it was created by Netspend cooperating with Bankrupt Bank and NetBank, right? So that's the short form of it. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe.